Hey guys, just traveling to office today. Thought about sharing a few things. If you guys have not checked out already, go and watch the walkthrough video of the mods on the ADV. And in that video, I said that I'd make a dedicated video on the adjustable suspension. So yeah, today I wanted to just talk about the adjustable suspension which I have installed on my ADV 390. So I'm sure the ADV owners know and have realized that the rear shock, especially on the ADV, is really very stiff. In fact, you could say it's too stiff for comfortable road riding, and that is one of the major issues with the ADV. You could import the official KTM WP suspension from some place like UK, which has the adjustable one. But now, since the launch of the Adventure 390 spoked wheel version, this has all changed. So you know that the spoke wheel version comes with adjustable suspension now, and it was about time that you get the adjustable suspension as a spare part from KTM counter sales. And I'm not sure that any of you guys realize that is such a big deal. So as soon as I got to know that this was an option, it was a no-brainer to at least check it out. Immediately I went to KTM. I asked the price about the rear shock, and it was around 7,000 rupees. So the Xpulse aftermarket shock being 5,000 and this official shock from KTM being 7,000, it's not a huge difference, and you get an official OEM part, and this shock has the preload as well as the rebound adjustment. So it was definitely worth a try at least. If for 7,000 rupees you could sort out your bike, I think that's a great deal. So yeah, I went and got it. The installation was another story, because when I ordered it, they said they don't have it in stock and it'll take a few days to get it. So I paid advance. I got the shock, and on the day of the fitting, it turned out to be a Duke monoshock. So I had to get it returned. And the problem was that I did not want to get it fitted from the service center. I wanted to fit it myself. So I took the shock home. I disassembled my existing shock, and then while fitting, I figured out that oh, this is a Duke monoshock. So then I had to refit my older shock again, and then I had to take back the new shock to the service center. But I think KTM service guys are amazing in the Chembur service center, and they really helped me out in that scenario because they offered free installation for me. So they took back the Duke Shock, which they got it by mistake, and they ordered the ADV one. It arrived the next day, and they did a free install. So I am happy overall. No complaints at all from KTM Chembur. And the install was very quick. It just took around 10-15 minutes. And my first impressions after riding it, although it was not set up for my weight, it was absolutely life changing. Because see, once you ride your motorcycle for 1 or 2 years, you know how it behaves. You know how the suspension is going to act when you hit certain kind of road surface, and you expect it to act that way. You know, the older shock, it was stiff. It used to hit the lower back if you're not in a saddling position. If you're just sitting on your seat and you go across any bumps on the road, it would just hit your lower backs. And if you're at a high speed, it would be so bad that your internal organs would just completely get rattled up. So going from that to what I have right now is such a huge difference. Night and day would be an understatement. So the first time I rode it without setting it up, I put it in the middle of the softness and hardness for the rebound, and the preload was already set to 3, which comes as stock, and it was a completely different experience. It was much softer than what I had. I tried each and every level of preload with each and every level of rebound. I played around with it. It took me well over 2 hours to do all this and get it set up properly for my weight. KTM has really done an amazing job. The driving experience was phenomenal. And especially on the highways where we spend most of our times as ADV tourers, the small bumps and the road surface which you have, especially in and around Mumbai, all that had completely gone. From the rear at least, I could not feel anything on my butt, and I set it up for highway and comfort riding. The only thing that I could feel now was the jerkiness from my front suspension, because the rear was so perfect that it started to bring out the negatives of the front suspension. And that was the point when I realized that I really need to get the front as well, because the rear one was so worth it. I would not mind to spend the extra money to get the front sorted out as well. Because once I tasted the level of comfort and the ride quality that I was able to achieve by this adjustable shock, I was just blown away. So long story short, I got the front as well. And getting the front, the story with that is, if you go to KTM, you ask for the front adjustable suspension, you will get the whole thing with the fork tubes as a kit. So you would get the right fork and the left fork separately. And that would cost you around 23,000 rupees. But I still have a better way to do it. So this is what I did. I got the front adjustable suspension internals from KTM. So the internals include the spring which is inside your fork tube with the adjustable cartridge, and the clickers, the adjusters that you have on the top. So that is one assembly that you get for each side of your fork. For that you don't need to get a fork tube. What you could do is just get the internals for the fork tube and remove the old spring and the old cartridge and put in the new one. That was the only thing that I did for the front, and this costed me, with the fork oil and everything, this costed me around 10,000 rupees only. So all in all, 10,000 for the front and 7,000 for the back rear suspension. So under 20,000, if you're able to get this kind of suspension, that too from an OEM, if this is not a great deal, then I don't know what is. It has been the best purchase that I have done for the KTM. Absolutely the best purchase. If any of you guys are planning to do some performance upgrades on your motorcycle, if you're planning to get the Fuel X or an expensive air filter or a Powertronic or whatnot, just hear me out, guys. Hold off on that. Don't get any performance upgrade yet. Save up and get the adjustable suspension upgrade done. It's going to be the best thing that you do for your motorcycle. See all the minor ups and downs on the roads. The bike is so smooth on that. I don't need to saddle. I don't need to avoid the bumps. I can just go over it very confidently and know that the suspension is going to do its job and handle it. Superb, man, superb. I just love what KTM has done. So normally what happens on the highway is, if you suddenly get a pothole or you suddenly get a bump on the road, especially here in Mumbai, in and around Mumbai, even on the highways, roads are so bad. At times it's impossible for you to avoid the pothole or to avoid the speed bump. So you just have to hold your breath and go over it and pray that it won't fuck up your back or your motorcycle. Alright, I'll stop talking for a while. I have to reach office. So just enjoy a bit of riding on this lovely bike.